Step-by-step guide. Installing WordPress locally on Mac or Windows. How to install WordPress locally on Mac or Windows, a complete guide. If you're a website developer, designer, or just someone wanting to test WordPress without impacting a live site, installing WordPress locally on your Mac or Windows computer is the best solution. This guide will walk you through how to install WordPress locally on Mac or Windows, using a user-friendly tool called Local WP. Whether you're using a Mac or Windows, this process is simple and can be done in a few steps. 1. Download Local WP. To get started, you first need to download Local WP. This is an application that allows you to create a local server environment on your computer where you can install WordPress. Visit the Local WP website and click on the download button. Select the version suitable for your operating system, Mac or Windows. Once the download is complete, you're ready for the next step. By choosing Local WP, you are opting for one of the most efficient ways to set up WordPress locally on either a Mac or Windows machine. 2. Install Local WP. After downloading, it's time to install Local WP. Double-click the downloaded .exe file and follow the installation prompts. Open the .dmg file and drag the Local WP icon into your Applications folder. Once Local WP is installed on your system, you can move on to setting it up. 3. Set up Local WP. Now that Local WP is installed, it's time to set it up. Here's how. Open Local WP on your system. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Click Create a new site. You'll be asked to name your site. Choose a name and click Continue. Select your preferred environment settings. You can leave it on the default if unsure. Enter your WordPress username and password details. With these easy steps, you have set up Local WP and are almost ready to begin working with WordPress. 4. Set up WordPress site. Once your local environment is ready, it's time to set up your WordPress site. Local WP will automatically create a local WordPress installation based on the settings you entered. After the installation is complete, you can access your local WordPress site by clicking Open Site in Local WP. Log in using the credentials you created earlier. Start building your site locally. How to install WordPress locally on Mac or Windows has never been easier, thanks to Local WP. Now you can experiment with WordPress themes, plugins, and customizations before going live. By following this step-by-step guide on how to install WordPress locally on Mac or Windows, you can easily create a WordPress environment on your personal computer using Local WP. It's an excellent way to test changes, try new features, and develop websites without the pressure of a live environment.